If you want to use the Snipping tool in Windows 11 to take screenshots or record your screen, it's very simple to set up and use. First, open the Start menu and type Snipping Tool into the search bar. Then open the app from the results. You can also launch it instantly by pressing the Windows key plus Shift plus S on your keyboard. Once the Snipping tool is open, click on the three dots in the top corner and select Settings. Here, you'll see where your screenshots are automatically saved. Windows sets a default folder, but you can change this by clicking the Change button and selecting a new location. You can do the same for screen recordings by scrolling down to the Recording section and choosing a different save folder if needed. After adjusting your settings, go back to the main screen. You'll notice two main options, Screenshot and Screen Recording. If you want to capture an image, select the Screenshot option and click New. You can then drag your cursor to manually select the area you want to capture. Alternatively, you can choose from different snipping modes, such as capturing a specific window or taking a full screen screenshot. Once your screenshot is taken, it will automatically save to your selected folder. You can also edit the image inside the Snipping tool using the built-in tools at the top, such as cropping, drawing, or highlighting. If you make any changes, remember to click the Save button to store the edited version. If you want to record your screen instead, switch to the Video tab. Click the New button to begin setting up your recording. Just like with screenshots, you can select a specific area of your screen or choose a particular window to record. If you have a microphone connected, you can enable the microphone option to record your voice along with the screen. When you're ready, click Start to begin recording. Once you're finished, press Stop, and the video will automatically be saved to your chosen recordings folder. That's how you can use the Snipping tool in Windows 11 to capture screenshots and record your screen quickly and easily.